easy to get into that one.
The tennis court?
Yeah, there's only like a fence on the outside of it. Like one little part. You can just go walk around some trees and get in there.
Okay. Not really what I was talking about.
Oh, I was just thinking it'd be cool just to go to somebody's tennis court and go play.
That's what I never thought. Yeah, I should need a tennis court because I would need to go play. Basketball court.
I don't see you playing basketball.
It's because we don't have a basketball court. I played intramural basketball.
You played what?
Intramural
Oh,
basketball.
this is aerial. I don't understand what that was.
What's such thing as aerial basketball?
How the fuck do you know?
Because I don't got sports. I'm like,
Oh, okay. I know more about sports than
no,
what
you don't. You thought the yellow line on TV was real.
A lot of people do.
No, they don't.
Oh, slow children are playing.
Poor little handicapped kids. I have delivered back here.
The poor little handicapped kids.
I don't know if they were handicapped or not.
Wow. Great order.
That was English.
3-car garages.
Yep.
That looks like a cul-de-sac.
It is a cul-de-sac.
Oh, so it's this one, maybe.
More slow children? Blaine Way. Blaine, is it okay if I take that?
His name is Blaine. Yes, his name is Blaine, and I'm going out with him tonight. You know what movie that was from?
Fast Dead?
Pretty Blue House. No. Pretty in Pink.
Wow, that's a very movie.
I have water in this.
Okay, there's water down there. You want to go? Let's go. We love our healthcare hero. Okay. Cool story.
What do you mean? Do you have any grape coupon? Oh, look at the doggy! It's so cute.
It's a nice quiet street. It's a quiet area. The whole area is nice quiet. Kimco.
Huh?
Kimco Lane.
Not named after Kim Cole.
No, because there's no L in it. No, because there's no L in it. Just want to keep the lane court. Boneshire Estates.